I have a question for you. What are the things that come to your mind when you want to start a chapter, because of which you just leave it there and engage in something else? I think these are two things that come to our mind when we want to work upon something that's not very familiar to us. And the first thing is, oh no, that's too much, that's too big. And second thing is, it's going to take a lot of time. And the moment these thoughts come to your mind, the pen centers of your brain gets activated. And because of that, you look for some alternatives where you can engage in yourself and can feel more comfortable. And that's what we call procrastination. We procrastinate because the work we are supposed to do is not comfortable for our mind, because it need to do extra work and it need to put efforts to understand that. And that's why our brain used to just say us, hey, come on, we got to leave it, because it's not something you can easily grasp. So we just leave it there and switch to something else. But today, let's talk about how we can stop procrastinating and can focus on our work. So, first thing, what you need to do is break your tasks into smaller tasks. For example, if you want to start studying, give yourself a task that, okay, I will just go and set up my chair on the my study table. Give yourself the next task when the first one is done, that I will clean my table. When this is done, give yourself another small task, that I will open the chapter which I want to study. When you are done with this, give yourself another task, that okay, for next 10 minutes I will study this chapter with full attention and undivided focus. When you are doing this, you are getting out of both of those fears which we discussed earlier. How? So when you say that, okay, do this and do this, you when you divide your work into smaller pieces, you are escaping the first fear, that's it is too much, it's very big. You are escaping this particular fear when you are dividing the work into smaller pieces. Second fear, that was that, oh no, it's going to take too much. Again, you are escaping this fear because you are just saying, okay, study for 10 minutes, not more than that. So your time limit is also very short. In this way, you are escaping both these fears. And when you do this, you set the ball rolling, and there is a very high probability that you will start focusing, and you will start working things out and not just leaving them and procrastinating. Because once you start this, then you may from 10 minutes go to 20 minutes, then 30 minutes, and maybe for an hour. But it's very important to get the momentum and start doing things from the very beginning, and with very small things. So this is how you can avoid procrastinating. Hope you are going to do this, and let's do it. This is Ashutosh Verma signing out. Thank you.